Look around. How many young men do you see who are truly alive in their spirit? How many are building lives of purpose, strength, and unwavering character? There's a calling on this generation of men to rise up, to be more than what the world expects. And that rise begins with the foundation you choose to build your life on. My name is Nathan, but you can call me Father. And this isn't just another pep talk. This is a call to build something that lasts. I believe every man has a potential placed inside of them for a reason, a strength waiting to be uncovered. But that power stays dormant until you decide to build a foundation worthy of the man you were created to be. There's an old story about two men, one who built his life on sand and the other on solid rock. Now, when the storms came, the house on the sand was washed away. I know what it's like to live in a house built on sand. I felt the chaos of the storm and watched things that I built crumble because the foundation was weak. What I learned in the wreckage is that true strength isn't about never failing. It's about finding the grace to get back up, especially when your own strength has run out. It's about the quiet battles you face on your knees that no one else sees. Those are the moments that forge real character. I learned that true freedom starts from within. You can't build a life of purpose if you are a slave to your impulses, to your appetites, to the noise of the world. Mastering yourself, your mind, your body, your spirit is the first brick you must lay on that solid rock. And I learned that the cracks in your story don't have to be a source of shame. They can be the very places where a greater light shines through. Your past doesn't disqualify you, it can qualify you. It's about allowing your story to be redeemed and using it to build something magnificent. How do you build this foundation? It's a daily decision. You have to master your discipline. Start with small acts of faithfulness. Get up on time. Keep your word. Do the hard thing. A man who is faithful in small things can be trusted with more. Guard your spirit. What are you allowing into your mind and your spirit? Our world is loud with negativity and distraction. Anchor yourself in what is true, what is honorable, what is right. That is how you find peace in the storm. Take ownership. Stop blaming the world for your circumstances. True freedom comes from taking full responsibility for your choices. Own your story, and you gain the power to write the next chapter. Discover your calling. Purpose is something you can create, but a calling is something you discover. Ask the big questions. Why am I here? What was I created to do? The answer is rarely found in comfort, but it's almost always found in service to others. Seek wise counsel. Find older, wiser men, or even people who've been in the same position you have found their way out. People of faith and character. The Bible says there is a safety in a multitude of counselors. You don't have to walk this path alone. This world is desperate for strong, capable, and honorable men. This is who you were created to be. The foundation that you build today will determine the legacy you leave tomorrow. Don't shy away from the hard work. Embrace the process. Start building on the rock. Answer the call of your life. The time is now, and the choices are yours. God has given us all the tools that we need. We just need to dig deep and press forward. Until next time.